Want to make restaurant-quality buffalo wings at home? Today, we're breaking down the secrets to crispy, juicy, and perfectly sauced wings so you can master them like a pro. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're making the best buffalo wings, covering prep, frying techniques, and the perfect wing sauce to get that classic flavor. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepping the wings for maximum crispiness. Buy whole wings and cut them yourself. Separate the drumhead, flat, and tip for better control. Dry the wings thoroughly. Removes excess moisture for extra crispiness. Refrigerate overnight. Drying in the fridge eliminates moisture, making the skin crispier when fried. Step 2. Making the ultimate buffalo sauce. Melt butter over low heat. Creates a smooth, creamy base. Add hot sauce. Classic choice. Frank's Red Hot or Crystal. A touch of ketchup adds slight sweetness and balances the spice. Garlic and salt. Enhances flavor without overpowering the sauce. Gently heat without boiling. Prevents separation and keeps the sauce silky smooth. Step 3. Fry in the wings to perfection. Use high smoke point oil, vegetable or peanut oil for consistent frying. Heat oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit ensures crispiness without overcooking. Drop wings close to the oil, away from you, prevents splattering and ensures even cooking. Fry for 12 minutes until golden brown. Shake occasionally for even crispness. Season immediately after frying. Helps the seasoning stick better. Step 4. Tossing and serving the wings. Coat wings lightly in sauce. Too much sauce can make them soggy. Toss gently or use tongs. Ensures even coating without breaking the crisp exterior. Pair with blue cheese, celery, and carrots. The perfect classic combo. Now you know how to make perfect buffalo wings at home. What's your go-to dipping sauce? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more game day favorites? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and recipes.